Goin Hamm. It's choreographed by Trevor Thornton. It is a 32 count, 2-wall improver level line dance with 1 restart on wall 4 after 16 counts and a tag at the end of wall 9. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the tag and the restart and practice them. And then we're going to go around do 10 walls of the dance so that you can practice the restart as well as the tag and how they flow, so you can dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Goin Hamm. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. You're going to step your right foot forward, and as you swivel both heels towards the right, you're going to take your right hip, push it forward, recover back onto your left foot, and you're going to do a right coaster step, right back, left together, right forward. We're now going to repeat that with the left, so we're going to step our left foot forward, push your left hip forward and slightly swivel those heels, recover down onto your right foot and do a left coaster step, left back, right together, left forward. Let's try that with some counts, stepping forward with that right. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 2, we're going to rock and half shuffle. So we're going to step our right foot forward, recover back onto your left foot, and over your right shoulder, we are going to do a half shuffle. So we're going to make a quarter turn, stepping our right foot to the right side, step your left foot next to your right, and make another quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot. You'll be facing 6 o'clock. We're now going to rock forward with our left foot, recover onto your right, and you're going to do a left coaster step, left back, right together, but now we're going to cross our left over our right to end that section. Let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left foot. We're rocking forward. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. On wall 4, that is where your restart will happen. Section 3, we're going to do grapevines. 1 is going to be a rolling grapevine. So we're going to do a regular grapevine to the right, stepping our right foot to the side, left behind, right side, touch left. We're now going to do a rolling grapevine to the left. We're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping forward with our left foot. You're at 3 o'clock. You're now going to make a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right. You're at 9 o'clock. You're going to make another quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your left foot to the side and touch your right next to your left. So let's try that part with some counts. We ended section 2 with our left crossed over our right, facing 6 o'clock. We're going to do our grapevine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if you're somebody that doesn't like to turn, you can make that last one a regular grapevine as well. Section 4, and our final section of the dance, we're going to do points and sailor steps. So we're going to point our right toe forward, point your right toe to the side, and then we're going to do a right sailor step, stepping our right foot behind our left, left foot out, right foot out. You're now going to repeat that with the left, point your left toe forward, point it to the side, and do a left sailor step, left behind right, right out, left out. End of dance, ready to start all over again, facing the back wall. Let's try that last part with some counts. Weight is on your left foot. We just touched our right. You're facing 6 o'clock. You're going to do your points and sailors. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. End of dance, and you're ready to start all over with your swivels. So now let's face the front wall. We're going to do it all the way through, 1 time with steps, 1 time with counts. Weight is on that left foot, your step and pushing that hip and swiveling. So it's step, swivel, recover, right, coaster, step. Step, swivel, recover, left, coaster, step, right, rock, recover, half shuffle, left, rock, recover, coaster, cross, grapevine, side, behind, side, touch, rolling grapevine, quarter, half, quarter, touch, point forward, side right, sailor, step, point forward, side left, sailor, step. Ready to start all over again. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on that left foot. You're doing your swivels. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So now let's talk about the tag and the restart. Like I mentioned, it's going to be after your coaster cross after 16 counts. So you'll start on the back wall, dance 16 counts all the way up through your half shuffle, rocking coaster cross, facing 12 o'clock, starting the dance all over again. That will then become wall 5. Because restarts, whenever you start the beginning of the dance all over again, no matter where you're facing, it becomes the next wall. So now, let's practice all the way up to there. We'll do that restart, and then we'll practice the tag. Weights on your left foot, you're gonna step and swivel. So you're doing step, swivel, recover, coaster, step. Step, swivel, recover, coaster, step. Right, rock, recover, half shuffle, rock, recover, coaster, cross. Right here, you'll start over, step, swivel, and your coaster, step. You'll then dance wall 5, 6, 7, 8, and when we start wall 9, that is going to be your tag wall. So you'll dance the full 32 counts facing the back, and you're gonna add on a rocking chair. Nice little 4-count tag. So all we're going to do is we'll be facing the back wall, but I'm gonna show you so you can see it. Stepping forward with that right foot, you're gonna rock forward, recover, rock back, recover. And then you'll start the dance all over again. So let's try that on the back wall. Weights on your left foot. We just did our sailor step. You're gonna do your rocking chair. Rock 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you would start the dance all over again. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So now let's go all the way around. We're gonna dance 10 walls just so you can practice both the tag and the restart. Weight is on your left foot. On the front wall, I'm going to do steps. Back wall, we will do counts. I will call out both the tag and the restart. Weights on that left foot, you're stepping with your right. Step, swivel, recover, coaster, step. Step, swivel, recover, coaster, step. Rock, recover, half shuffle. Rock, recover, coaster, cross, grapevine. Side, behind, side touch, rolling grapevine, quarter, half, quarter, touch, point forward. Side, sailor, step, point forward. Side, sailor, step and swivel. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Step, swivel, coaster, step. Step, swivel, coaster, step. Rock, recover, half shuffle, rockin', coaster, cross, grapevine. Side, behind, side touch, rolling vine, quarter, half, quarter, touch, point forward. Side and sailor, step, point forward. Side and sailor, step, swivel. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Restart here. Step, swivel, recover, coaster, step. Step, swivel, recover, coaster, step. Rock, recover, half shuffle. Rock, recover, coaster, cross, grapevine. Side, behind, side touch, rolling grapevine, quarter, half, quarter, touch, point forward. Side, sailor, point forward. Side, sailor, step and swivel. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Step, swivel, and your coaster, step. Step, swivel, coaster, step. Rock, recover, half shuffle. Rock, recover, coaster, cross. Grapevine. Side, behind, side touch, rolling grapevine, quarter, half, quarter, touch, point forward, side and sailor. Point forward, side and sailor, step, swivel. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This is wall 9. At the end of this wall, we're going to do our tag. Step, swivel, and coaster, step. Step, swivel, and coaster, step. Rock, recover, half shuffle. Rock, recover, coaster, step. Vine, side, behind, side touch, rolling grapevine, quarter, half, quarter, touch, point forward, side and sailor. Point forward, side and sailor. Do your tag, rocking chair, right forward. Right back, start over. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And that is the whole dance. After that, you don't have to worry about anything else. You can just enjoy dancing the dance. I hope this helped you learn Goin Hamm. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.